Hi! Today, I'm going to show you how to use post tags in Gravity Forms. This field works together with the other post fields to enable you to create a form that can generate post data from a user submission. Users can enter information into the post tag fields that is used to fill out the tags for a post. You can find the post tags field under the advanced field, drag and drop it to the page. So first, I'm going to explain the general field settings. This is the field title the user will see when filling out the form. So you have to enter the label of the form field. This will be displayed to the user and provide some direction on how the field should be filled out or selected. So you have to enter the description for the form field. Then here in the field type, select the type of field from the available form fields. You can select single line text, drop down, check boxes, radio buttons, and multi-select. In the required field, select this option to make the form field required. So a required field will prevent the form from being submitted if it is not filled out or selected. So next, let's go to the appearance settings. So in this part, you can use the placeholder to give a hint at the expected value or format. So the placeholder will not be submitted along with the form. Then in the field label visibility, labels can either inherit the form setting or be hidden. So you have to select the label visibility for this field. In the description placement, the descriptions can be placed above the field inputs or below the field inputs. So you just have to select the description placement. Then you also have custom validation message. So this message will be displayed if there is an error with this field when the user submits the form. So if you would like to override the default error validation for a field, you can enter it here. Enter the CSS class name you would like to use in order to override the default styles for this field. Then, select a form field size from the available options. This will set the width of the field. Note, if using a paragraph field, the size applies only to the height of the field. Next, the advanced field settings. So here, you can enter the admin label of the form field. Entering a value in this field will override the field label when displayed in the Gravity Forms administration tool. So if you would like to pre-populate the value of a field, you can enter here. You can also set the visibility of your form. You can choose visible, hidden, and administrative. The visible option, this field is visible when viewing the form. Then this field is hidden when viewing the form. Useful when you require the functionality of this field but do not want the users to be able to see this field. The administrative field is only visible when administering submitted entries. So this field is not visible or functional when viewing the form. You can also mark check to this one if you want to allow fields to be populated dynamically. Lastly, the conditional logic. So the conditional logic allows you to change what the user sees depending on the fields they select. You can enable the conditional logic whatever you like or whenever you like. After that, you can save the form and you can also preview it to see the changes of the form. That's all. Thank you for watching.